So hi, and today we're going to be asking the question, can you get a bargain from a railway show? So November last year I went to the Birmingham Model Railway Show with the express intention of picking up some bargains. Now I went with a budget of about 100 quid, and a very specific shopping list for a model railway that I'm currently in the process of designing and building, and that will be documented on the channel later in the year. So what was it I was after? Specifically, I was after a Class 45, I was after some Mark 3A coaches, to be nerdy for me, they're the ones with buffers, not the ones that sit in the HST sets, and a Class 158. Now behind me, you'll see some locos already in my collection. They're all second hand, they've been bought at various model railway shows over the year and online auction sites. On the top, that's a Class 150/2, which I picked up at the Doncaster show earlier this year, and I'm currently in the process of repairing that. So, was I successful? Well, you'll see that at the end of the video. Now, I've divided this video up into three parts. First part is a bit of an overview of the show itself. Second bit is some of the model railways that were there, and as I say, the last bit is, was I successful in picking up some bargains at the show? So I put some chapters together for the video. If you want to skip ahead to the end, just go to chapter 3. If you want to see the whole lot, or just the model railways, just go to the relevant chapters below me in the description. So, without more ado, let's get on.
Just take your time.
So hi there, and I am with my brother on his double gauge layout, because I brought with me the stuff that I bought from the Festival of Model Railway Show, which we've done a very quick video about earlier on. So I bought some bits and pieces, and what we're going to do now is we're going to find out if what I've actually bought works. So I spent about just over £100, and we'll show you exactly what we bought for that, and we'll see if it was worth doing, shall we? So we're going to start with the first one. So we bought a nice class 45 for the layout that I'm going to be building. As you can see, bought it for 35 quid. It should be DCC fitted. So we're going to find out. It should be on number 3. So let's get this out of the... I've already had a look at it, but we'll get it out of the box, have a look at its condition. So I'm just going to hand my phone over to my brother, and he can video what we're doing. Right. So let's get it out of the box. The box is a bit... I'm not bothered about the box being a tatty condition. So obviously these bottles are quite old, but first impression is it's actually in a pretty good nick. So there we go. So it's 45048 So first look, it looks pretty good. I am pretty impressed with that. All the buffers are in place. There's no real damage. All the wheels are in place, all metal wheels. No scratch marks. Yeah, initial look, I think that looks pretty good. So these ones have got pilot wheels here and here, because obviously we've got four wheels to the bogie, because of the size of the power plant that's actually inside, or was built with inside these locomotives. So we're going to get this on the track, and we're going to see if it actually runs. Jesus Christ.
Right, okay. I will switch this off just for a second while you're doing that.
Getting 4, 8, 16 wheels on a track. Yeah. That's going to be really interesting. Is that 4 on there? 1, 2, 4 there. Are they all on there, John?
It looks good to me.
Nope.
Something's not running right.
So it's not...
I can hear something ratting.
Yeah, I can hear something not quite on.
That feels better. I don't know, it depends. I can switch it on and see what happens. Because it would let me know if there's a short, it'll let me know.
Oh no, it's not on that bogey there. No, that bogey there's not quite on. Oh.
The easiest thing to get on, I know, is what you mean. A rolling railer would be quite handy, but I haven't got one.
This is going to be a nightmare to get on the track. Right, I think it's on, John. Do you want to give that a try?
Give it a try. 3, yeah?
Yeah. Hey, oh, it's moving.
Yeah, don't forget, I haven't cleaned this track for a bit, so... Oh, hang on.
Okay, we do seem to be moving.
But not very quickly. Let's see if it may be... Maybe that piece of track that I haven't cleaned for a while. So I'm just going to turn that off there. Let me just check that all the onto that for a moment.
Yep.
Just going to check everything is set to keep that straightly running. So I've got it onto main line. Right, okay.
Yeah, you're off. Go on, son.
Alright, you can go, you can do it.
Go on, son. There you go. Bit jerky over the points. Oh. Yeah, I think we're off.
That's full pelt though, Mike. What I say, at full pelt that's a bit slow.
So we've probably got a dirty motor, dirty
something.
Yeah, probably we might even have dirty wheels. But it's moving.
It's moving, it's working, it's creating current, but it's certainly not flying around the track like one of mine would be. Although it doesn't need to be flying, it is. No. It's not exactly moving very well. I've got it in reverse at the moment.
Just bring it back.
Yeah.
There we go.
See if I can get it going.
Let's see if we can get it going around the track.
I've got it on full tilt at the moment, so.
Go on, you can do it.
Yeah, you can do it. Go on. No.
Oh.
Oh dear, have we? No, we haven't. Oh, have we?
Dunno.
Have we come off? No, we haven't.
No.
Alright.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, I think that is going to need a bit of a clean.
It's not taking a lot of power up on the wheels. I mean,
no.
But if I can get it going at a decent speed, it might be alright. But it's not. I've got that on full pelt.
Yeah.
It's not.
Alright. Well, the thing is, the DCC decoder obviously does work, but given its loco's age, I think that needs a really good clean. So I think we'll do that. Okay, that's good. That's good news. Right.
Okay, so I'm going to dismount.
Right.
Might have to need it.
We'll get that back in its box, and we'll look at the next.
Smells like it.
And we'll. I mean, the wheels look reasonably clean.
Some nice rubber pads on those wheels.
Yeah.
On that power bogey's got some lovely rubber.
Yeah.
So it might be a bit of the motor, and it might need a good clean. You know what, like the other one you had. So.
Yeah. Right. So so we'll get the next purchase out of the box. So this is the second purchase we made, which is a Bachmann 158, as John's 153 rams it. So this one isn't been DCC, this is DC. So we'll get this one out of the box and we'll see what condition this one's in. So if you want to hold that.
Yeah, I'll hold that one up.
Now this is in West Yorkshire livery. And one of these is
that's nice.
One of these is it's got the motor in, that's the dummy. And this one's got the motor in.
Oh, I like that.
So it's in pretty good nick. These are, I believe, the version 1 of these units, not the newest version of the units. Right, so here's the first unit out. So this is the motor unit. Oh, this one's
taking power
car.
I've just powered the track down.
So initially, they're looking pretty good.
And it looks clean as well.
Yep.
Yeah. So you want to try that? Oh, what are the points? Thing is though, it's only a bit like my 153. It's only a two wheel bogey or 4 wheel bogey set. Sorry, on each bogey.
Right. So
give it.
Let's try the power.
What is
car.
that? Is that
This is DC.
It's DC only, is it? Yeah. Right. So there you go. That's the noise I wanted to hear. And that is a lovely little runner. I can tell you now, Mike. I've slowed that down purposely.
Yeah.
That is.
Sorry
about that. Yeah, I'm not timed that one.
That's all right.
But that's really slow. So I reckon I can get that to go quite fast. So.
Should have directional lights. So we should have white lights on the front. Got white and red. You've told me before about this.
Yeah,
actually,
on a DCC circuit, it might have a bit of funniness with the directional lighting.
Right.
But I can get that running at quite a fair rate of knots. I mean, unrealistic speed really, but that motor's good. That motor is excellent. So fit up the other cars, so see what it's like after we do that.
Bring that round there and I'll bring it up.
That could be ripe for doing a DC.
Both that now.
Right, we're running on. Yeah, I mean,
I think
doing the directional lighting makes no difference whatsoever. But that might be because of the DCC.
I think it's on the track.
I haven't started it off actually.
Yep.
Yeah, fine. Right, running at a reasonable speed.
Yeah, so you've got white and red LEDs. Well, I did it on my test track, and the directional lighting was working perfectly fine. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good.
Well, I'm going to try on the inner curve as well, Mike. It's the outer.
Yeah.
Let's see if it works on the inner curve. Okay, so. Pretty cool. Yep, that's fine.
That's pretty good.
You really want to test it out? Get it going into the station. That's a mega curve. That is a non-standard radius curve going into the station.
Is it?
That's the reason why I only really run my 153s in there. Yeah. So we'll give it a go. If you record, you can't react. So I'll take that like that. We're going to that back on the outside up.
So I'm happy with that. So that's a good buy. And we've obviously bought some Mark III coaches, which I'm not gonna try at the moment because they will run without a problem. And they need some maintenance, but they do need some maintenance work on the Mark III coaches that I bought, which are juice. I will get them out of the bag. So, hang on. So they're all juice. So they're all juice coaches. They are scale length Mark IIIs. As you can see, this one does need a bit of work because the insides come loose, so I'm going to do that. And some other little bits and pieces. But other than that, all three coaches I bought were in really good nick. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. So,
I think it's a great one.
35 quid for the Class 45. Needs a bit of a clean, but we can do that. That's no problem. The 158, no problem with that whatsoever. That's absolutely brilliant. And I know the Mark IIIs, they'll be fine. Not bothered about testing those out really, to be honest. They do need a bit of work, a bit of TLC those. But they'll be fine. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So just a quick video that was. Obviously we'll follow on this video with how we're going to get that 45 repaired and working properly. We've also got the Voyager to repair as well. And I imagine all that's wrong with those two is just a darn good clean. And then we'll start getting them on the new layout, which I'm going to start building very soon. So we'll see you on the next one.